Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable unnecessary startup programs on your computer. When I first got my computer, it started up really fast, but over time, as I installed more apps, it began slowing down. This happens because many apps are set to launch automatically when your computer starts, which can delay the startup process. To fix this, I'll show you how to remove or disable these startup programs. Let's get started. I've already booted up my PC, so now down in the search bar, type Startup and select Startup Apps. This will open a settings view showing all the apps that launch at startup. Before you decide what to disable, you can sort them by name, by status, or by startup impact. Here, you can see various programs like Classic Start Menu or the Adobe Creative Cloud tool. Many of these are enabled by default, and the app list even shows each one's impact, whether it's low, medium, or high. Higher impact programs use more resources and take longer to load. Now, go through the list and identify apps you don't need to start every time you turn on your computer. For example, I don't use Microsoft Edge on my home computer, so I turn those off. Only keep apps enabled if you want them to open at startup. Many programs start in the background to save time when you use them, but if it's something you rarely open, there's no need for it to launch at startup. Once you've made your choices, close the window, and the next time you start your computer, these settings will take effect. You should notice an improvement in startup speed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like more content like this, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.